Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about HYTE Milky Y70 Pillarless PC case. So friend, HYTE has announced the Milky Y70 series expanded the existing lineup with three new models: Y70 Taro Milk, Y70 Strawberry Milk, and Y70 Blueberry Milk, each offering distinct soft and creamy color option. And the HYTE Milky Y70 feature a dual chamber design that accommodated a panoramic view of internal components through tempered glass panel on three sides, including on front and side, and nobody including the front and side. And notably, the case does not include a touchscreen LCD on the front diagonal surface. It supports a range of motherboard sizes including E-ATX, ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ITX, and the cooling system is versatile, allowing for side-mounted cooling fans or radiator with dimension up to 120 mm into 3 and 140 mm into 2 and 280 mm and 360 mm in length and up to 125 mm in thickness. And the top of the case can accommodate similar configuration with a maximum thickness of 68 mm, and additionally the rear can support a single 120 mm and 140 mm fan on radiator, and the bottom allow for up to 120 mm and 140 mm fans on radiator. In terms of storage and expansion, the HYTE Milky Y70 offers two 3.5-inch dry bays and four 2.5-inch shade shadow bays, and the case includes four vertical and four horizontal expansion slots designed for low-profile component. Internal space is optimized with the CPU cooler clearance of 180 mm in height, graphics card length capacity of 420 mm, and power supply unit depth of 235 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.